What is community-based conservation, CBC? Imagine a world where local people are the main protectors of their own land. That's what community-based conservation is all about. It's a way to safeguard nature by involving the people who live closest to it. Instead of outsiders making all the rules, communities get to decide how to manage their natural resources. This approach started in the 1980s when conservation efforts often pushed out local and indigenous groups without considering their needs or traditions. It recognizes that humans and nature are connected, and that local communities can be the best stewards of their environment when they have a say. Key parts of community-based conservation include giving communities control over their land and resources. They decide how to use and protect local wildlife, forests, and water sources based on their knowledge and customs. Indigenous people often have centuries of experience with their environment, and their traditional knowledge guides sustainable practices. For example, they might know which plants are safe to harvest or when animals breed, helping to keep ecosystems healthy. Another important aspect is linking conservation with people's livelihoods. When communities see benefits from protecting nature, they are more likely to do so. This can mean earning money from ecotourism, sustainable harvesting of plants or animals, or developing new jobs that don't harm the environment. Fair sharing of these benefits is essential so everyone feels included and motivated. Social inclusion is also a big part of CBC. It aims to involve all groups within a community, including women and marginalized populations. Everyone's voice matters in decision-making and sharing the rewards. In practice, community-based conservation can look like community-managed wildlife reserves, where local people oversee the land and wildlife. It can also include activities like mapping natural resources with local input or creating forums to resolve conflicts over land use. For example, in Namibia, local communities manage wildlife conservancies that protect animals and generate income. This approach helps balance protecting biodiversity with meeting human needs. Managing protected lands becomes more effective when local communities are involved. It shifts the focus from exclusion to collaboration, respecting cultural values and building resilience for both people and nature. This way, conservation isn't just about saving species and habitats, but also about supporting the people who depend on these lands every day.